Stop eating these 5 foods. They're silently destroying your liver. Most people think liver damage only happens to heavy drinkers. But here's the shocking truth. There are 5 everyday foods. Yes, foods you might eat without a second thought, that are quietly overloading your liver and setting the stage for long-term damage. No pain, no symptoms, until one day, fatigue hits, your skin changes color, and your digestion slows to a crawl. That's your liver waving a red flag. But here's the good news. The liver has a powerful ability to heal itself, if you stop feeding it the wrong things. In this video, we'll reveal the 5 worst foods for your liver, and exactly what to eat instead to start repairing the damage naturally. Let's get into it. Number 1. Sugary drinks. Soda, sweetened teas, energy drinks. These are packed with high fructose corn syrup, which your liver processes similarly to alcohol. Over time, it turns into fat, leading to a condition called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. You may not feel it at first, but the fat builds up, silently inflaming your liver. One study showed that just 2 sugary drinks a day can double your risk. Swap them for lemon water, herbal tea, or black coffee with no sugar. Your liver will thank you. Number 2. Processed foods. Chips, frozen dinners, fast food. These are loaded with trans fats, sodium, and preservatives. Your liver works overtime trying to detoxify all the chemicals. Meanwhile, the high salt content increases blood pressure, which can strain the liver's filtration process. One man who switched from daily fast food to home-cooked vegetables and lean protein saw his liver enzyme levels normalize in just 3 months. It's not magic. It's nourishment. Number 3. Refined carbohydrates. White bread, pasta, pastries. These spike your blood sugar and flood your system with insulin, causing fat to accumulate not only around your belly, but inside your liver. Over time, this leads to insulin resistance and liver inflammation. Whole grains like oats, brown rice, and quinoa help stabilize blood sugar and reduce fat buildup. Your liver prefers steady fuel, not sugar bombs. Number 4. Alcohol, even in moderate amounts. You've heard red wine is healthy? Maybe for your heart, but your liver has a different opinion. Even small amounts of alcohol can trigger inflammation and scar tissue, especially when combined with a poor diet. It's not just about quantity, it's about consistency. Daily drinking, even light, leaves your liver no time to recover. If you must drink, keep it occasional and pair it with nutrient-dense meals. And finally, number 5, vegetable oils high in omega-6. Think corn oil, soybean oil, sunflower oil. These are in nearly every packaged food. And while omega-6 isn't bad on its own, our modern diet is so overloaded that it causes chronic inflammation, harming your liver cells over time. Swap them for extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, or grass-fed butter. These healthier fats support liver function and reduce oxidative stress. Your liver is your body's primary detox organ. It filters your blood, breaks down toxins, and supports over 500 vital functions. But it can't do it alone. Remove the enemies. Replace them with allies. Leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, turmeric, garlic, berries. These are nature's liver support team. Drink more water. Get your body moving. And most importantly, give your liver a break from constant damage. You don't need a special supplement. You don't need a cleanse. You just need to stop feeding the silent destroyers and start nourishing the organ that works for you 24/7.